new AMG GTR represents the next performance level of a GT. Simply put, it's a street-legal race car. With the GTR, we managed to improve the drag coefficient of the GTS even further. We combined aerodynamics and design elements in an optimal way. Entirely new is the active aerodynamic profile, almost invisible in the front section of the underbody. This super lightweight carbon element automatically descends at a speed of 80 km per hour. The lowered element generates the Venturi effect, which reduces lift on the front axle by around 50% at maximum driving speed. When turning at higher speeds, the GTR feels significantly more agile, yet remains easy to control due to the balance between lift and downforce. The aerodynamic profile also directs more cold air to the brakes. Further aerodynamic measures include two vertical air curtains, which optimize wheel arch ventilation. The double rear diffuser is designed to optimize airflow, which increases the stability of the rear axle. The angle of the prominent rear wing can be adjusted and thus adapted to the individual needs of the driver. Another innovation at AMG is the active air control system. Vertical louvers behind the air intakes in the front apron are controlled electronically. They open and close in approximately 1 second, through which the airflow can be optimally directed and utilized. When closed, the fins reduce drag and direct the air towards the underbody. Thus, the lift on the front axle is reduced even further. And that is the benchmark.
Join us here for the world premiere of our youngest and most performance member of the GT family. The GTR stands for outstanding driving performance on the next level. It marks a new benchmark for AMG and as well in this. Hey Lewis, what are you doing here, man?
How you doing?
Hey.
You good?
Yeah, I'm doing good, and you? Doing well, right?
Hey man, thanks so much for having me. I came to pick up my car.
Your car? You sure?
Yeah, this is the one you promised me, right?
Yeah, I promised you, but I promised all these people that I have a close look to that car now.
Why would you do that?
You would like to drive one
Yeah.
maybe one
Yeah, is that okay? I'm just
one
gonna,
lap?
Can I take it for a quick ride?
Okay, do so.
I don't think they will mind.
Please
It's okay, yeah?
stay inside with us.
I'll
yeah?
be real quick.
Thank you. Just let me grab my helmet out.
Woo!
So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about, but he's the world champion. you brought the car back in
Yeah.
one piece, the beast.
I'll take it.
You take it?
Yeah, it's amazing. Is this really street legal?
It's street legal, obviously. Yeah, absolutely.
I'm impressed.
So what do you think?
It feels amazing. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's.
I like that you did the wide body kit to it. It's lower. It just looks more sporty. The GT already looks fantastic, but this one just. And it sounds amazing when you're driving it.
It sounds like hell and
Yeah,
it drives like hell. But
big congratulations to you guys and
thank you
AMG
very much for joining us here
No, really
tonight
happy.
and today. And everybody would like to invite everybody to join us here and have a close look to the car. Thank you very much once again to join us here for the world premiere of the GTR. And Louis, thank you very much on behalf of the whole team that you join us here. Thank you.